Anybody watching who's like, oh man, I bet they're not even that hot. It's fake, or it's a plant. That's how they get the people to come on the show.
Right.
No, this is burning. This is it hurts.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? For First Week Feast, I'm Sean Evans, and you're watching Hot Ones. It's the show with hot questions and even hotter wings. And today I'm joined by the fluffy guy himself, Gabriel Iglesias.
The hottest one, yes.
He's been a fixture in the stand-up comedy game for 20 years strong, a producer, actor, and a man of 1,000 voices. But how will he fare in a dance against the hot sauce devil? We'll find out today. Gabriel, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
How are you with hot food?
You know what? I like to taste the food. Every now and then I feel the need for a little spice.
Well, we have the lifelines on deck to the left, the hot sauces to the right, the walls are caving in. You ready to get going?
I'm ready to get going. Okay, so this is a humble house.
Out of San Antonio. I know that holds a special place in your
Okay,
heart.
very much so. 210, let's do it.
Let's do it.
I don't want to say too much because I know you guys are going to set me on fire later.
You don't want to get cocky.
I don't want to get cocky. I just know I see the road right here. It's like when I used to run the mile back in school. Like, yeah, that first, woo, it's easy. And yeah, it's,
Eventually, we're going to hit that last lap.
Yeah. Okay.
So over the last few years, you've amassed an enormous collection of Volkswagen buses, close to 20 in total, telling fellow car enthusiast Jay Leno, this is what happens when you don't have a Coke problem. Why does the minibus hold such a special place in your heart?
It holds a special place in my heart because it was the first car I ever had. It was a 1968 Volkswagen Transporter bus that my brother helped me get. You know, it's just one of those things. It's your first car, and when I had the opportunity to get my first car back, one turned into 2, and then it turned into 25.
The 68 Transporter, is that kind of a cool car to have when you're in high school, or is it one of those cars that just pretty much locks you into being a virgin through graduation?
Pretty much.
And then, have you ever had a road rage incident behind the wheel of a minibus, and do you find that it undermines your point at all?
It's one of those cars, it's not like driving a Ferrari. People, you know, are like, they give you a thumbs up and they're like, wow, cool, where'd you get that? They want to talk to you. They don't call you a dick while they're, you know, circling, going to Dunkin' Donuts. Okay, so from San Antonio, we're going to
Louisiana.
Louisiana, okay. When I watch the show, like, you just see the wings out here, but you don't see no steam or anything coming off them. I want to let everybody know the wings are a good temperature. You know, I was afraid it was gonna be like, oh, it's freaking cold. No, they're good.
Thank you, I appreciate that. So on your show, Fluffy's Food Adventures, you travel across the country exploring some of the more indulgent sides of American cuisine, like how to make bacon-wrapped bacon or crispy maple chicken donuts. Of all the over-the-top restaurants that you visited, which one was the most memorable?
Ooh, that would have to be this restaurant in North Carolina, Cowfish. Everything in there is hybrid, so they combine the best of both worlds. And I ate a thing called a burgushi, which is basically a burger and sushi combined, which was pretty awesome.
And then you visited that place, the Heart Attack Grill in Vegas, which is an interesting place. You know, they'll have you wear a hospital gown. I think they've had 2 spokespeople go down with heart attacks.
The beauty of the Heart Attack Grill is that they don't hide anything. If you're over 350 pounds, you get to eat for free, but we get to put you on display and make fun of you in front of the whole crowd. And you'd be amazed how many people want to go up there and be like, hey, look at me. Okay, yeah, I almost got a little bit more. Question.
Sure.
Do fans give you a hard time if you don't finish the wings?
I think that most people are
Or you're
reasonable.
talking about the YouTube world?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Most people are reasonable, but then there are other people that are like, if you don't finish the wings, don't bother showing up. And they take it like very seriously and they get really worked up. I try not to like play to them too much because I feel like it's, you know, you give a mouse a cookie, you know, I don't want to inch it towards that direction, you know, and just turn this into some weird YouTube chicken wing challenge show. But to answer your question, yes, some of them take it a little bit too seriously.
Stop taking it so freaking serious. Okay, let's have some fun with the show.
As someone who's been the victim of multiple online death hoaxes, is that really as surreal as it would seem to be?
The first time someone said that I had died online, it looked legit because they even had a news, like they did all the Photoshop things right. So it looked totally legit. And I'm like, what? It freaked me out. And then people started sending me text messages, you know, hey, you alive? Yeah.
Now that you know the inner workings of a fake death, have you ever thought about masterminding your own, and to what end?
You know, the thought was there. There came a point where I just felt very overwhelmed with everything that was happening around in my life and my career, where I was like, man, I wish I could just get away. You know, there was a little fantasy of like, man, it would be cool to fake my own death, but you know, then you're an asshole when you come back. You know what I mean? We thought you were dead, and like, no, we wish you really were. I definitely taste a difference from this one and the last one.
But still in a manageable place.
Mm-hmm.
I know that fans, they were bringing you chocolate cake for so long. What's the next most popular item that your fans gift you?
Racist gift baskets.
Oh, okay.
I told a joke many years ago about a friend of mine named G. Riley and how we played this practical joke on him and we made him a racist gift basket that had all kinds of stuff in it. Freaking fried chicken, watermelon, you know, malt liquor. I mean, it was totally freaking, like, we went off the deep end with it. Before I knew it, people started bringing me Mexican racist gift baskets that had a lot of hot sauce and candles with the Virgin Mary, mazapanes, freaking Vicente Fernandez CDs, Mexican Elvis. One guy brought me an application for U.S. citizenship. The best one was a guy gave me a lawnmower, a straight up lawnmower. And he's like, yeah, this got this right here for you, man. I'm like, that's a nice lawnmower. And then I kept it, and he got mad that I kept it. But I'm like, dude, you gave it to me. What the hell are you gonna do with a lawnmower? I'm maybe cut grass, I don't know.
What's the most difficult thing about touring with your chihuahuas?
Whenever I gotta go to work, I have to leave them in a green room. Just like right now, my dogs are currently in the green room.
We're hosting your dogs.
You're hosting my dogs right now, so thank you. Sorry for the pee. Hamid Jang, here we go. Okay. Mm-hmm. I feel some Hamid Jang.
All right, Gabriel, so we have a recurring segment on our show called Explain That Gram. We do a deep dive on our guest's Instagram, pull interesting pictures that need more context. So I'll bust out the laptop, I'll show you the pictures, and then you just tell me the bigger story. Does that sound good?
That sounds good. Hamid Jang!
First things first.
Stone Cold Steve Austin. That was awesome. I got to get drunk with my favorite wrestler of all time. And I got to do his podcast, and I didn't want to show up empty-handed, so I came in with a couple bottles, a bottle of Jack and a bottle of tequila, and some wussy shot glasses that he didn't like.
And he checked you on the shot glasses?
He checked on the shot glasses, and before I know it, we're drinking out of his personal skull shot glasses. I manned up a little bit that day, and it was pretty awesome.
This is interesting. Jay and Papa John.
Yeah, we taped an episode of Leno's Garage, and he showed up at the door with Papa John. He had his own, like, Papa John cards, and so they're like $10, $15 pizza cards. They're like, hey, man, how you doing? Papa John, here, have a pizza card. And I'll go, just one? Because I saw the stack he had. I'm sorry, you know, I can afford pizza, but I'm still ghetto. So when I looked at the stack, I'm like, maybe like one more. And he goes, here. And he handed me the whole stack of Papa John cards. Yeah, so thank you, Papa John.
What a day.
All right, karma sauce. Let's see here. Okay, karma. Oh, yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. I can officially say that now it's starting to really,
No more sandbox games. It's getting real.
No, getting real. It's getting real.
What do you remember about performing in biker bars early on in your career? Did you ever catch a bottle in the middle of your set?
I used to perform at a the shit's gonna hit the fan. Yeah. I used to perform at a biker bar in Montebello called Wild Coyote. And I had no idea that there was an element of danger there. I was 21 years old, and I was just happy to get on stage, and I'd make fun of anybody and everything, and the fact that these guys didn't kill me said a lot. Because there was a couple of shootouts there, and there was a couple people that actually died in the parking lot, or in the alley, whatever you want to call it. The best part was, I'm feeling it now. The best part is that across the street there was a hospital, the Beverly Hospital. So if you got banged up, you'd be in ER really quick.
Very convenient.
Very convenient. The Dawsons. Mm-hmm. It doesn't sound very threatening. Try your Dawsons hot sauce, the premiere. Yeah, it's got the little rope, I guess, that you hang yourself from when you're done freaking setting yourself on fire. Sauce picante. Oh, you put Spanish. Anytime you put Spanish in the hot sauce, it's legit. Yeah, but all the stuff on the back's in English. We get it. All right, here we go. So, Dawson's hot sauce. Okay. So let me guess. You've gone all the way every single time, right?
Yeah, I think I have to. So when it comes to voice acting, you're really in rarefied air, and we've experienced even some of that today. When is the last time you used one of these voices in everyday life?
Oh man, wow, you're making it harder to think. Probably a drive-through just to mess with them. And then I would always do that girl voice and freak them out, like, hello, sir, can I, and they're like, because it started off like a guy, and then it ended like a girl. And then I get to the drive-through, and then of course they see that it's just me in the car. That's funny, I feel air leaving. Like I ran out of breath on that one. All right, Dawson. At what point am I allowed to drink something?
Listen, there's no rules.
Okay, but if you drink something, are you officially over? Did you lose?
There's no, it's not like the Olympics.
This is
it's
not a competition.
like the Olympics. It's not a competition.
There's no money on this.
Unless you want to put some on it.
Has anyone ever gone through and not drank anything?
It has happened a couple of times. It has
Really?
happened a couple of times.
What's never happened on the show as far as the eating of the wings?
You want to set a record of some sort.
Well, hey man, you got me out here and I feel like I can contribute something to this show, and I want to leave a lasting impression, and I just want to know what that is.
Dax Shepard brought out an extra wing one time on the last wing, but no one's ever brought out 2 extra wings on the last wing.
Well, let's cross that bridge when we get to it. I still see 3 wings, and I'm a little too brave right now. All right, you've already eaten the bomb?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. That's really, it's really painful.
It's pretty obnoxious.
Yeah.
So throughout your career, you've boldly mixed aloha shirts and jean shorts.
Yeah, I will not be that one who does not drink.
I've even read one report that you have, what, like 700 Hawaiian shirts?
700. I think it's ooh. I think it's closer to 50 now. I've gotten oh, you motherfuckers. Yeah, it's about 50. Closer to 50.
What do you think about high-end designer Hawaiian shirts? Like, would you pay $920 for a Louis Vuitton Hawaiian shirt?
Never. It would not fit right. I guarantee you Louis Vuitton don't care about big people.
What about couples wearing matching Hawaiian shirts? Do you give that a pass, or does that make you want to puke?
It depends on how old they are. If you're in Hawaii together, I guess it's cute. If you're not in Hawaii,
Fascinating stuff.
Can I sit so straight? I mean, anybody watching who's like, oh man, I bet they're not even that hot. It's fake, or it's a plant. That's how they get the people to come on the show.
Right.
No, this is burning. This is it hurts. Mad Dog 357. This is freaky. It's got a bullet. This sauce is very hot. That's all it says. It just repeats itself. Almost like a don't do it type of thing.
You want to
So
do
this
it?
thing is a 25-year anniversary. It's been setting people on fire for 25 years.
Real longevity in the game. How you feeling?
I'm hurting. I see the finish line though.
There it is, warrior spirit. So you've spoken in the past about finessing your way out of tickets, be it by playing the Bad Boys theme during a traffic stop, or by hooking up free Krispy Kreme donuts. Can you break down the Gabriel Iglesias masterclass for finagling your way out of a ticket?
The way I get out of tickets now, that's funny. I sound like a different. I sound like George Lopez up here. Hey, the way I get out of tickets. The way I get out of tickets is nowadays I've probably been stopped 4 times in the last 2 months. Each time they've come to the window, I've gotten recognized, and it's like, do you know what? Hey, and when I hear hey, that means
you're in the clear.
That means deuces. I'm out.
Just a politics situation.
Totally. Oh God. I see one left.
This is the last dab. We call it the last dab because it's tradition around here to put a little extra on the last wing.
Oh my God.
You don't have to if you don't want to.
All right, so the last dab. Here we go. How much did you put?
Right there.
All right.
And I would like to point out to the viewer at home, this is textbook right here. This is as pretty and perfect a last dab as I've ever put on a wing. So if you're ever wondering, what's a dab? What's a dab? What's a dab?
That's pretty good, right?
That's even better.
That's a good dab.
This is a real dream team Olympics type of last dab situation.
All right, bro.
Cheers, my man.
See you on the other side.
See you on the other side.
Ah.
Clear in the glass.
Yeah. This hurts.
All right, Gabriel Iglesias, here we are at the finish line. I know that you're a huge wrestling fan. Some might say an obsessive. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock. I have a bunch of catchphrases from famous wrestlers. I'll hit you with them, see how many you can match to the wrestler. Does that sound good?
That sounds good.
All right. The best there is, the best there was, the best there ever will be.
Bret Hitman Hart.
Bang, bang, have a nice day.
Mankind.
I'm straight edge, which means I'm better than you.
CM Punk.
What a slobber knocker.
JR.
Woo!
Ric Flair.
Hello, ladies.
Val Venus.
I'm a tower of power, too sweet to be sour.
I'm the Tower of Power. I almost sound like that for real. All right, next one.
That's an order, maggot.
Sergeant Slaughter.
Give me a hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah. Freaking Stone Cold.
Now can you dig that, sucker?
God damn it. Booker T.
Booker T, Booker T, ding, 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 ding. Look at you, Gabriel Iglesias, even with the last dab, the bomb, Mad Dog coursing through you, still reaching in and naming some catchphrases, knocking down wings, cleaning bones. So impressive from this side of the table. Now there's nothing left to do but roll out the red carpet for you. This camera, or this camera, let the people know what you have going on in your life.
Oh, right now, there's a lot of stuff going on in my life. Right now, I got a lot going on in my life right now. I got my new tour. It's called One Show Fits All. Get your tickets at fluffyguy.com. And if I don't make it past this, it was fun.
Woo! Good job, good job.
Oh yeah, right there. Thank you. Dude, you do this every week?
I'm doing this tomorrow.
Oh God. You're a gangster, bro.
Hey, what's going on, Hot Ones fans? It's Sean Evans, and you know what? I'm not going to beg for your subscription. If you're not subscribed, turn off the video. It's over. I want just my subscribers. Come here, come here. If you're subscribed to First We Feast, I just want to say thank you, and that I appreciate you, that I love you, and I hope that you have a great day.